Hey everybody, Gregg Coleman here, and I want to take you on a tour of the brand new, newly renovated George Coleman Ford showroom. So it's good to have you with us today. We're about to take you around in beautiful, sunny, and cold Travelers Rest, South Carolina. All right, here we are inside, and we'll start with our brand new Welcome Center with our President's Award plaques along the back. Very pleased with those. And over this way, we have the brand new BDC, or Business Development Center area. There's Doug over there. Hey Doug. How about a nice big room to take our photos of our vehicles in? What an echo. And in this room, the fitness room, so our employees are going to be healthy whether they want to or not. All right, follow me this way. Hey, how about that? A Bronco. Oh, look over there, another Bronco. Both mannequins, both sold. As we go this way, we have a bit of our history board behind us. A few of our old cars that we have here, including the 1931 A model that was sold new by George Coleman Sr., my grandfather, who started the business in 1930. And a few pictures on the wall to commemorate our history here too. Back here we have the new detail area. Expanded quite a bit from what it was before. We can wash inside or wash outside and do detail work inside. This area, we have our waiting area for our guests and some vending, more coming. And as we walk over this way, something really special for the kids, a separate area. I know parents will be thrilled about that, or anybody waiting. Kids play area. This area here is planning for the future. Right now it really doesn't make sense, honestly, with the steps or the walkway coming down, but just on the other side of this wall is where our service drive-through will be for phase 2. So right now it's in anticipation of the big door and windows that cross through here. All right, and here we have the cashier area where our folks will come pay bills whenever we have phase 2 done. But we already have the office done for our ladies and potentially gentlemen in the office, and our office manager has an office over here. I tell you what, she's something else. She does a great job. We kind of tried to get it soundproof for her. And this is a brand new office, which was originally supposed to be my office, but the guy behind the camera right now, my son Jake, says it is our office working toward his office. And enclosed with glass on a couple of sides, this is our new conference room. So, and we've got a kind of redone conference room table and a TV up here. Pleased with this room too.